I rolled the ham and cheese. Do this in your snack time. We are going to use 2 slices of ham and place 1 slice on top of the other. On top, we will add 2 slices of mozzarella and leave it at the distance of 2 fingers to the tip. Here, I used oregano to season, but it's up to you. Now just roll up. And look guys, it will stay that way. Just repeat the process with the ham and mozzarella you have at home. Take this roll to the freezer and leave it for 10 minutes for it to get very firm. On a plate, I will put 3 eggs, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and now just mix very well. And let's leave this mixture aside. Now, let's take the roller, pass it on the wheat flour, then we'll pass it on the eggs. Now again on the flour. And once again on the egg. Now to finish, let's bread with breadcrumbs. But you can also use panko flour. Let's take and fry in a hot oil. Mine here was with panko flour. Guys, our snack is ready. Super fast, easy to make, and it's delicious. Do it at your house. I'm sure everyone will love it. Look at this melted cheese inside, wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.